Today we're going to work on simplifying a fraction by factoring it down to prime. We have the fraction 32/84, and we want to simplify that fraction, but we want to use prime factorization doing so. So what we have to do is break all of our numbers down to prime numbers only. So we have to know what our prime numbers are, and hopefully you have a list of those in front of you to help you out. Prime numbers, again, are numbers that can't be divided by anything evenly except for itself and 1. So we're going to factor these down to prime, and I'm going to use a tree diagram to show you how. 32 is a basic skill question, so this would be 32 is 8 times 4. And 8 and 4, neither one are prime, so we have to keep going. 4 is multiplied 2 times 2 to get 4. So this we have factored completely on this side. And 8 we have 2 times 4. 2 is prime, but 4 is not, so we have to factor it again into 2's. So that's a lot of 2's. 32 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the 5th power. I'm just going to write it out totally. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Because we're going to use what's in the numerator and the denominator and then simplify it by crossing out what's in common. So here we have 84. 84 is not really a number that's in our multiplication set that I can think of. Maybe up to 12 I think would be okay, but we usually learn our 1 through 10 and then don't learn our 12s. So what I'm going to do is separate it by 4. I know that 4 goes into 8 twice, and I know that 4 goes into 4 once. So it would be 4 and 21 that I could separate this up into. Well, neither one of these is prime yet, so I have to keep going. So I have 2 and 2, and then for 21, I'm just going to move down here so I have some more room. I have a 3 times a 7 equals 21. So 84 then equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay, so that was just basic factoring, which we've already done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find out what's in common between the numerator and the denominator. Because if I just took this right here, 2 over 2, that would equal 1. So 1 times anything is just itself. So by factoring out a 2 over 2, I'm not changing the value of the expression. So let's factor out what's in common between the numerator and denominator. So there's a 2 here and a 2 here. If I simplified that, that would be 1. And there's a 2 here and a 2 here, which I can simplify down. I can cancel those out. That equal 1. So what I have left, I'm going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, and 3 times 7 is 21. So the simplified version of this is 8/21.